Medicine is entering into a fascinating phase. Up until now, we have tried to understand the illnesses, cardiovascular diseases, what are the mechanisms, and so forth. But it's too late. We should prevent disease. We should promote health. Certainly will be much more economic. So the study today published in JACC is a study about health, how we sleep. Is our sleep long enough? Is our sleep high quality? We don't wake up at night several times. Today, by new technology, we can certainly quantify how good is our sleep. And for example, the data is fascinating. If our sleep is broken from time to time, if we sleep very few hours, we now have evidence, also through technology, to see how the disease is already developing in the arterial wall, in the arteries of our body. We call this subclinical disease. It's not yet apparent. So it's a clear example of how new technology can begin to understand what is going on us before the disease develops. Now, this type of project, the project that is today we are discussing about sleep, is a project that is the result of a collaboration which is fascinating. It's a collaboration from financing, from the federal government, and private financing. And I think it's a fascinating story because this is a study done in near 4,000 employees of the Santander Group. And again, people that are very, very excited to really contribute to what is the promotion of health and the prevention of disease. So I just finish by saying this is all very exciting. We are moving from constantly talking about disease to now moving into, can we prevent it? Can we understand health? And sleep is one of the mechanisms to study health.
There are two things that we do usually every day. One is to eat, another one is to sleep. We have known for many years the relation between good nutrition and good cardiovascular health. However, we don't know as much in the relation between sleep and cardiovascular health. In this study, we have used technologies that have allowed us to go more in depth than any other previous study in terms of the relation between the quantity and quality of sleep and cardiovascular health.
In our study, we included almost 4,000 participants of the PESA study, and we wanted to evaluate the impact of sleep duration and fragmentation in atherosclerosis. We saw that participants that slept less than 6 hours per day or had a very fragmented sleep presented more cholesterol plaques compared to those who slept more hours or with less fragmented sleep. Therefore, we can conclude that sleep duration and quality is of vital importance for our cardiovascular health.